Here we go, further adventures on the the Lady Ellen. We're on the back half of
we're looking for the wind. What's that out,
Puffin Island.
Gap?
Peace home. That's what it was called. See how this video works out. You're on with John, Alan, and good looking Pete.
I don't know how you can blatantly tell like that.
I'll leave it in that direction so you can see where we're actually going. The island's to your left if you can't see it. We're going to the Isle of Man at the moment. I'll pan round. Yep. Puffin Island. There's actually puffins on it. We can see them from here. Get the guns out, lads.
All smoke in there.
We've got plenty of pickles.
Yeah, see that, you know what you mean by that black line, you don't know that on it, do you?
No, but it is that though.
Let's just put the other sail on. No, you won't do that.
Don's eating oranges to stop the scurvy. We've only been out 2.5 hours. Do you actually get? Do you actually?
It feels like 2.5 years.
Do you actually get scurvy, Don, in one day? Oh, and I forgot to show you. We've got sails up. Whoa! We don't know if they're actually on the right way round, but they seem to be working. No holds barred with second chance sailing.
You have to use the red thing. The red one.
Watch yourself, Alan. Yeah, make sure you got hold of something at all times. You're getting very old to be banged around. We've seen enough of that in the gay clubs you go in, you get knocked around a few times. You know, they'll actually hear all this land, believe it. Can we get a bit closer to the... There's a puffin in front of us. Right in front of the camera. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. About 35 feet out. But I don't know, we're just going to get the shotguns out in a minute, we'll tell you. When we got it on board... A dipper. It's a dipper. Is that us?
Well, I'll have pickled dipper anyway.
Yeah. I'm sorry, but there's no billoddies on here. Bird watching is not one of our things, is it, Don?
Well, he's just fell through the camera the other way.
Did he? Oh, who is it? Is he a sailor? Should we ask him as we go past how he done it?
He's getting that sail right out, mate.
Yeah.
Is it him?
No, it looks a bit long for him actually. No, it's a bit too long. That's 26 foot. That.
Is that a puffin?
Or more. Hey?
Zooming across the top of the sea.
No.
Skimming the waves.
They've got very short wings on the puffin. If Alan gets a bit nearer to the island, we might manage to see them. But we we don't even know. Where's he gone?
Where's who got to this?
Oh, for fuck's. But I'm sorry for swearing. I'll have to cut that out. You know, I'm going to have to edit every single bit of this. Yeah, Puffin Island, there's a remains of a monastery on it, and
Tower in the middle.
yeah, I'm not sure if that was a monastery and the ones was a church or... But you're not allowed to go on it, as with a lot of the private islands around England. Why, I don't know. We actually think that the treasure from the Royal Charter, which was about there when it went down.
Where?
The next headland. Now, considering the tide's running straight through the middle of Anglesey and Puffin Island, I think you'll find most of the gold's been washed up around here.
That's probably why we're not allowed to land up there.
Yeah, wouldn't be surprised.
Come on. Let's work it out that he's on
You have to be very careful.
Are we?
Yeah.
Alan will have to actually get out of the cabin so we can put the depth thing on.
I don't think we've got enough speed to do it.
No, I don't think we have.
You said we had, so let's just
No,
go
I
for
didn't
it.
say we had at all.
You did?
No, I didn't.
You said,
I never mentioned it to
try
you.
it.
Oh, well, let's try it then.
I don't think we can. No, I don't think we've got enough control over the boat.
Of course we have. Other people can do it.
He's going from
What's
the other
the,
side. He's coming out at a straight line, well
Yeah.
away from you.
What's the high tide at between it, Don? Right.
I don't know.
So you don't know. We don't know what the high tide is. We don't actually
High
know.
tide is at R5.
No, we're not on about. That's high tide in Conway. I'm
No,
sorry.
That's still high tide here.
I'm sorry, it's not.
It's not out in Column. It's different in Bangor. It's in Conway.
Yeah.
Not that
Time
much.
difference, so there is a bit.
Not that much.
Right.
If it's going in that way there, it's going there.
Are they puffins or seagulls?
There's seagulls on the back end. Puffins will be where the grass part is at the other side. Well, they burrow, don't they, in the grass? So I can see some burrows there on the left-hand side.
See loads of birds.
Now you move up, Don, so we can get out and sit down before he ends up falling. Get the thingy out. Be nice to know, because it looks like there's a lot of rocks around there. I mean, that white stuff, you know, the white stuff that seems to be crashing on the rocks.
There's no deep water.
We're in deep summit.
There's a sandbank coming up right ahead of us, Alan.
Alan,
It's gonna
we're
cross
in
over
deep
it.
summit. I can tell you. Do. There's a puffin. I don't know if you can see it. That's not a puffin. Yeah, it's a puffin, that one. We're hoping to have puffin for dinner.
We need to go over, well, it's like Alan says, with no wind.
No control over the boat without...
No. He wants to be in that white bit in between the blue and the island. That's where he should be. He's in the wrong place now.
I know.
Yeah, well, I know.
Can't
It's
do
no use
anything.
saying I know.
We can't do anything
All right.
without the engine
Oh,
running.
we better turn around and go home and never ever,
Give over.
never ever go
No,
out.
if you want to sail the boat through Pete, you've got to have steerage way, haven't
Right, so we're going to
It's going now, it's turning now.
the Isle of Man now. Where do you suggest we go? Down to London to get to the Isle of Man?
No, I'm saying this boat isn't under control unless it's moving. And if it's not moving, Pete, which it isn't, because we're not getting the wind, what are you going to do?
Bang the engine on.
That's what you'd have to do.
Yeah.
Still need to go around that way, I think.
Yep. We're in
We're going towards the exit.
22.9, 23 metres, which is 90 feet. I don't know. Yeah. Between 80 and 90 feet. I don't think we're worried about touching the bottom.
Until you come through this little...
Look where he is,
through the
look.
gap.
Right close to the
Yeah, no, because you're all right within. If you look on the chart
Yeah,
there, within 30 feet of the island, you're still in 25 feet of water. Which is 3 times what we've got
Who is
now.
that? That's not. Is it?
No.
Can't be, can it? The sailors not.
I don't know.
Blue though, isn't it? Sail.
He's got a white sail on the main one. Can you not just phone him to actually... I don't
Leave him
understand.
alone.
I don't want
Phone
to disturb him.
Well, if you phone him now and he suddenly says, I'm stuck on a sandbank and I'm waiting, at least you can turn around and go and be of some assistance.
Well, we can't. We can't get near
Well, we
him.
can after 12 o'clock.
Why after 12 o'clock?
That's called low tide. You understand the word low tide? Then it becomes high tide, which
yeah,
means...
but it doesn't get
which
high
means
tide till
bit by bit.
5:30.
No, it doesn't just suddenly turn in 5 hours, sorry. Over the 5 hours it gets
Yeah,
higher.
but you still wouldn't be able to get
So
to
2
it,
o'clock,
would you?
well 2 o'clock would be perfectly alright. You may be trying to get back in now, probably. In other words, you got no gift gas. No, that isn't the Dulwich, it's too light the colour. But it's the same, everything's the same colour. Did it have 2 windows on the Dulwich or one?
Stop that there
It might get a
anyway.
bit of
It's on
wind
the
through
sandbank.
the...
Sure it is.
Go this way now. Yeah, you get some wind.
It's probably him.
Hi Dave. How are you doing? Hiya. Right, well, we'll be coming back round about, I think it's, what time do you reckon, about 2 o'clock?
Well, we can go back then. 3 and we turn back now.
You should be coming off at about, right time's 12 I think. Half 12.
What?
Low tide, sorry, half
Where
12, yeah. So the tide's turning then. And we'll just out here from the road. Yeah. Oh, good.
Lost our sails completely.
You can't go from one to the other, Alan. That doesn't work.
From one to what?
You went from totally going to your right to
See, the
going
thing is,
left.
we've got to get the other sail out on this side.
Yeah.
Haven't we?
Not yet.
Alright.
No, no, you won't.
Well, we're going back to
Go on
Conway
that
now.
way.
Was it? Good.
We don't want to be going back Conway, do we? I thought we was going round.
We've got to go through there.
Oh, okay, well we'll come, like I said, we'll come back over to you around about
What
2
the-
o'clock. I'll give you a ring when we're coming back towards you. No.
You have to turn right round.
No, don't worry. It'll be all right. Okay then, do the best.
What's your leg?
What the...
There's puppy down there. Which is,
No,
why is he
ground.
showing that chart?
Leaning over.
Alright, she's leaning over. Alright.
It's not crossed
No,
the
well,
right now, is it?
What's going round it?
No, we can't.
We can. He's going round it. You know, if he can go round it. Oh, he must be fucking something special about him. Hope you got that camera. This bloke here's managing it perfectly alright.
What are you thinking you're doing, Alan, coming round?
I'm turning right round because I lost the bloody wind and it just
Where are you going?
knocked me hopefully.
Well, we're going back.
No, not yet. I'm sure I can get this turned round.
You bring the tiller around the other way,
You get the wind.
the wave will catch you, the wind will catch you. You see how the pull in and turn it round.
Should I come here? Hold the rocks down here, you know.
Yeah, shove the tiller right over.
This way!
You need to get a sail on this side, the other out on this side. You know.
The seal carriers could...
It's called waiting, Alan. You just wait there now and something will happen with the sea. Well,
sea's
it's time to
turning.
turn. You can't just say, oh, it's not doing it and then go back to a different thing. You never get anywhere doing that. You find it go left or right, simple as that.
It's coming round,
Yeah.
it's bound to.
You've got to wait. It doesn't do anything instantly, this boat.
No boats do.
No, you do. Smaller boats do it instantly. That's why they're called sailing there.
Get that
Now your
over.
wind's got you. I think you better go and do it if you...
No, I don't want to do it.
Yeah, I think you want to go and do it. Well, it actually goes over. This won't go any further.
No, don't want that.
You're supposed to move this. Don, I'm sorry. Oh, fucking hell. Let me get a little loose.
It's got straight, yeah.
Right. I'm sorry, Don. This is designed for you to go
Oh yeah.
the full length of it, John.
Yeah, but that you don't have to because you just let that off and it'll go.
Yeah.
Right
You
over
can do,
anyway.
We'll go.
Just watch where he's going through, Alan, because you've got to go on the other side of that lighthouse.
Anywhere you want.
That
Oh,
black
yeah,
and
oh,
white
That
one.
was, I don't know if you noticed.
Oh, yeah.
That's moving it.
No, yeah. No.
Oh,
But
right.
You've got the rope will move it as
Are
well.
we going
Pete.
through?
The wind will take it out as well, have you?
Yeah, I suppose
Oh, will
so.
it?
Follow
Right.
him through. If we can. If we
All
can.
that. Oh, don't stand up.
See? The wind will take it out,
Yeah.
Pete. Just the same.
Well, that's the reason why that's to bring it as well. Yeah.
Just lost the
Full.
full again. Catch it.
Well, it doesn't matter, we've got nearly 700 feet to actually be.
Yeah, but what we've got to do, see that black and white lighthouse there? We've got to go to
Yeah.
the map and
Yeah.
land.
Oh, hey, hey, fucking hell, I was going to go to the right of it.
Oh, right.
Fucking hell. Did you get that camera? Did you get that one? That was a good one. The black and white lighthouse there, we have to go to the left of it because there is land to the... There's land to the right.
This way now.
Yeah, because that's the only wind he can catch. I think he's got to start his engine off doesn't he, to get through there. And this one's the same lot in front of us.
Yeah.
Cutting across our bows.
He's nowhere near our bows.
No, but he's cutting across our bows. No
Nowhere
matter
near
how
it.
close he is.
Yeah, he'll be before, well, before.
In fact,
He's got the wind going in that way, hasn't he?
I think he just dropped it.
He's got two 250 horsepower engines on the back of it, which could help him a little bit. He doesn't seem to have any
I
sails.
think we should go through without any control.
No, we'll get
Got an
No, we get
engine.
the wind now.
We've got the wind, we've got an
The
engine.
wind now,
It's called a sailboat
Yeah.
at Puffin Island. It's designed for sailing, this boat,
Yeah.
Not too bad.
When this wind be?
and competent sailors.
No, when this wind. Look.
You can be the most competent sailor in the world, but if you haven't got any wind, then you won't catch.
Oh, well, we'll have to see if we get wind. If not, we'll have to turn back the other way. No,
No, we'll start the engine up and drive through.
Yeah.
It's got enough diesel in.
Yeah, tons of diesel.
I'm
More than enough.
concerned why that powerboat's not trying to go through. He's coming towards us.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, right.
What's that saying?
Perhaps he knows
He's on
that
that side.
perhaps he knows that it's low tide
Yeah.
in between there at the moment.
Yeah.
Do we know?
Yes,
He said,
we do.
what?
You know it's low
Oh, you
tide.
looked at it. Where did you look? Give us the name of the place you actually put in. I hope you didn't put Conway, Bangor
No.
or Blackpool. I hope you put the name of the actual tidal current that goes through there. What was it called? What was it called? You forgot now, have you?
I didn't even know it in the first
Oh,
place.
right. Well, yeah. Each place has its own tidal current.
So where are we down? It's Anglesey.
That's
We're up.
Anglesey.
We're up
So you want the
Street.
Anglesey tide then?
No, you want the one for the lighthouse, you want. But there is a tide one for the lighthouse.
What that boat's doing now?
He's
That
fishing.
sailing boat. No,
Eh?
the sailing boat.
He's going to go round it. And the other one's fishing. The other one's stopped now, Don. The other one's stopped now, Don, with his 250 horsepower engines and having a bit of a fish and may move on later.
I think the only thing you can do
Is what?
is go that way just to get some wind.
Yeah.
Enjoy
He's got tons of wind there, that one in front of us. I don't know if you can see that, yeah. Can anybody see that on the camera?
He's making much way.
Yeah, well, watch him turn in about 3.5 minutes, he'll be turning
The
left.
wind will take him now.
Aye, because it's a sailboat.
What's he going on about?
Well, you don't seem to think that he's going through, and he is. Well, keep it.
15 now.
Yeah. Even the puffins are walking past us, it's that shallow. 14 now.
He's going through.
Yeah, of course he's going through.
Should be able to pick the wind up that way as well to get round there.
He should be able to. Get out and give it a lot of water and then turn.
Well, in that case, then if you want to go in and like
Yeah,
that.
that's
No, we don't want to go out to the Isle of Man and go in. We, We don't need to go up to the Isle of Man. We don't need to go any more right to go left. It's not needed.
He's dropped his stop now.
Yeah. He's waiting for the...
I think he's just mucking about.
No, he's waiting for the tide to turn at... Ooh, if anybody knows what time the tide should be turning. Anybody know?
10 to 15 minutes.
Oh, right. Right.
Half 12 again.
Right, which means it'll be turning through,
Just to stay
through
here, just
the
to
gap.
stay here,
Half 12, so it's not even low tide yet.
No, it isn't. Well, nobody seems to know that.
He's trying to get jockey in the position where he can put the sail round.
Who? No, he's not. He's been stuck there all the time. Sorry, John. He's been there for over an hour.
What's your name here?
This one's been here for over an
I'm
hour.
talking about that one.
No,
No, he's going through it. He's going through it. He's not pissing about. He's going through it now. He's going to turn any second when he decides what line he's taking. He's going to sail right through it, avoiding the rocks that take up at least 55% of the gap. On what side, Don?
I don't know, Peter.
Right.
You and Alan have had a look at this, not me.
Well, you can see him on there actually.
Yeah.
You can see him coming round now. Can you see him on the island? Can you see anything on that island?
Yeah, just on the end.
On where? The top end?
Yeah.
Right. So that's where the rocks are. The gap is as close to the lighthouse as you can get. But not actually
It's in the lighthouse.
on the lighthouse's door. He doesn't take very well to guest visitors.
Yeah.
He doesn't get many visitors.
Well, make up your mind what we're doing.
We're going through.
Man,
We're going the fuck through it, aren't we?
we've moaned and moaned about fucking not getting out here.
Yeah.
One thing and another.
This is the last will and testament for all the souls on the Lady Helen. I'll just say to Elaine, I've hidden all the money in the... Ah!
Oh, Dave, fucking boat down. He said, don't worry about it, it'll be alright. He said, the engine's running. He said, I've just been out having a look to check to make sure the waterways are clear. He said, it seems alright.
You're asking me any water coming out the back while it's running. Right, now he's going through the thing now. Oh, come on, Alan, it's not that spectacular that you need to get video footage of it.
There's a photo.
There's the island, Buffin Island.
It's flying around, I see. Yeah, that's one now.
Keep moving this one.
Here we go.
I think we should start the engine up.
You don't need to start any engines up.
No, we do.
Why?
Well, because we're just fucking wallowing about here.
Start the engine then, go on.
We need to be making a bit
Right,
of
go on.
fucking headway.
Start the engine. Right. Throttle. Yeah, press the button and move the handle. Not in reverse, reverse is forward, got it. Right, out of gear, into gear. No, you better watch Alan where he's steering here because you're going to be going like shit off a shovel now. There's a boat right in front of us, Alan. No, the fuck? Oh, I don't know. I'm getting out of the way. Now he's still going towards it, Alan. Go the fuck towards you with... Go the fuck towards you. Move up there, Alan.
I can see it.
Oh, right. Well, you couldn't see it a second ago, I'm sorry. Alan, could he see that a second ago? No. Not a chance.
And that's where he is from. That one's going through.
As long as you're behind him, that's all we're worried about. Anybody watching the how deep we are, whether we're in the bottom or not?
13.8.
Where's the... You're on the power. Why the fuck? Yeah, stay the fuck away from the island.
I better just,
Well, what?
you know,
he going, Alan? He's going towards...
Have a look at it, Alan.
I don't know, he's looking at the map for some reason. He should be looking in front. Leave it.
Which postcard was it?
I have no idea which postcard it was. He just grab hold of it now and have a talk to him. Remember where the thing is? He was like for a pipe rack. And he were in that, no. Yeah. But not this way. Don't go that way at all. You've got to get over there first before you turn. Where the fuck? I don't know, it's just coming out and they can put it. Do you actually see the line on the thing? That's where you need to be.
No, I can see.
Well, you don't want to meet.
I can see.
Right, you don't want to meet the line at the end of it. You want to meet the line further up the line and then turn. That's what it's telling you. It's telling you the actual passage through it. Why the fuck would you want to leave it till the last minute to the very left hand side of the line? Why don't you meet the line halfway down it? Right, you go your way.
Going now.
No, leave it. Let him go his way then. He thinks he should... What? What? Fuck. It's perfectly safe to go through, Alan. Perfectly safe. Which?
When he's got, see that yacht is there?
Yeah, that could give us a clue where the other boat is.
Really are.
Fucking hell. Which is nowhere near. Give the light on. I'll smoke myself to fucking death rather than fucking dying.
I'll tell you what, I'm trying to talk to the Coast Guard and all I can hear is you two fucking bickering and fucking going on about things. He's had about 4 phone calls.
Right, I know. Right, let me just, no, forget him, he's alright, right. Let me just give you a bit of a clue. Lighthouse.
Yeah.
Up to 50 feet to the left of it, safe water, right? The other obelisk,
right.
Stay the fuck away from that, whether it's the left or the right, stay the fuck away from that.
Don't bother about that, Alan.
I know,
Alan,
he's watching
don't
this.
look at that.
Do you know what he was trying to do? Don, do you see the line coming through there?
Yeah.
No, can you see a straight line?
Yeah.
That's the way you're supposed to go, right? He was trying to meet the line at the other end. That's too late for your calculations then. Meet it where the circle is. That's what it's telling you. Meet, that's what the circle is, danger. I know that bit about the chart. I hope that's, yeah, it's on there anyway.
See that boat there?
You really?
On the other side of the obelisk, but I think he's going round.
He's coming round here and he's drawing 2.5 feet.
Yeah.
If you look at the sailboat that's going through, he's almost touching Don, the lighthouse now, before he turns. And it'd be nice to know if it's low tide through there. And you're not supposed to be going through on low tide.
It is low tide.
Yeah. No, it's low tide. I'm sorry, Alan, it's low tide at fucking Conway.
Where the fucking hell do you think the water's going to be here, higher? How can it be higher?
Well, do you know the Menai Strait is totally different tide than Conway, Alan, because it's funneling through the channel.
Right, you tell me where you reckon it's supposed to go. I don't, yeah, just to
15.
Yeah.
He gets down to 5.
Where's the other
Or
one?
would he's still not gone through, he's on your right hand side there. The right hand side. Yeah.
Have you got water all the way around? Right. What's a good idea is walk to the farthest part of the boat away from the shore, right? With your anchor. A good length of chain. Right out through the back as far as you can. Get a bite on it, tighten it up. So that when the tide does lift you off,
It's not going to push you the other way.
to the land. Yeah. Keep your back onto it. Okay.
And the anchor's supposed to be farthest down. When you beat, the anchor's supposed to be farthest out. You put it here, it swings around that way. You put it there, it swings out into deep water.
Right, he's alright. He's alright.
Right, you're the one, I forgot anyway.
Give me the fucking lighter.
Oh, yeah. Give me that.
Yeah, sorry.
Right, so you're taking the navigation through here now. If we're allowed to. It's only 4 feet through the finger at low tide.
Is it?
Yeah, it's walk all the way through there. You can walk across the dirt side here. Alan, no, don't. You can actually walk across the dirt side here at low tide.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get up here to film it at Puffin Island. There's the bit you don't want to go near. There's the lighthouse. May God have mercy on our souls. So the rocks are coming up already, you know, in the middle. So if you stand up on them, you'll see white water right in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
That's rocks there. I wouldn't actually advise doing it, but even he's not doing it, he's going right to the beach. See right hand side of the finger.
He's going down. He might be anchoring up there though. See?
Yeah. Getting in the channel, I told him. You're heading for rocks here, Alan, which means the boat's beach and some. You won't sit here, I can tell you. You'll just sit straight over here on rocks. There's no sand here, it's only rocks. Even he's not going through, he's going the other way
What's
now.
that white bit there?
Yeah, they're rocks. R-O-C-A-S.
No, as you go through there. As you go through, you're looking at them rocks as well.
All rocks around it. That's rocks right in the centre there. See, in between the island and the other one.
Yeah.
It's rock.
Right, Alan. Stay over to the right. Then right.
Chance of going down.
Yeah. Okay.
I know where you want. Don't say what it is. I'm willing to swim in from here.
You can chance of going down.
I reckon we've got a good chance of actually swimming in if we run the ground. That's rocks here, right in the centre. Don.
Yeah.
Right in the centre of the two.
Yeah, I
It's
can
rocks.
see it.
In the centre.
Yeah.
Right.
No, you're saying down, no, you're saying down, what? Hey? Yeah, saying down. You think down?
There we go.
It's not a chance in it, is it?
We're in deep water.
No, you don't even know what time high tide is in between it. You've got to go through that in high tide. You can't go in low tide. You see the wall, think you knew what fucking tide was. Well, no one actually knew. Where are we going now? Alamon next stop.
I don't be saying down, but saying down, I think, Alan. Well, it's taking a chance, isn't it? You don't know if you don't know, do you? You know, right now we're over the what's you know, sandbanks now, aren't we?
What, is that the you? I almost made it, fucking one. They almost made it. Through the rain.
I think what he's done, he's dropped anchor. He has.
He's waiting for the tide. He actually knows. Right. he actually knows that sailor over there where the tide should be at this time of day. And as you can see, he's sat waiting now.
Nice day sailing.
But we are better off being stood here not moving rather than going there, because that's not the way we're going. Some ways that way.
Yeah, I know.
Well, why would you want to sail for 2 hours that way?
Why not?
Because you're going to take you 2 hours if this wind goes the other way when we do
The
turn.
wind is the other way.
Alright.
We can turn in a minute, or we can turn whenever you want now.
Yeah, I know, I would have
Just stay
thought.
in that white patch of water.
But he seems to have, I don't know, he's got sails up there going the other way.
Yeah, if we head out round towards him in a minute, we should pick some wind up.
Well, I would think he'd pick it up, because he's picked it up.
There's not a lot.
Well, there's not a lot going fucking...
There's not much wind at all, John,
No.
either way.
Let's get round over that way a little bit. What's that fucking donkey? Is that a shore?
It says, get out of the fucking way.
Yeah.
You're in the fucking rocks.
It's the monk saying,
Yeah.
stay away from the island.
You can wait.
Looks like there's a quarry there, doesn't there?
Yeah.
Well, there'll be some video of this. We've got 2 hours of videos now.
2 hours of fucking moaning.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You just have to play music, Peter.
Yeah.
Well,
I say
I invite.
music.
I'll say this. On video now, I invite questions and answers under the video as to who is right and who is wrong, and if these three are actually men, they'll abide by your decisions.
Well, these three will be right.
Hey? Well, no, it won't be
Oh,
me
yeah.
doing it. It won't be me doing it. They'll do it.
Democracy states that 3 against 1.
No,
fucking
but
wins.
500 views saying you don't know what the fuck you're doing will be enough to us to tell us that,
Yeah, I don't know what
because they
happened.
will be
We're
sailors.
closer to that lighthouse.
I know.
If we're not moving forward, we're moving sideways.
Well, I don't know. We were going
Yeah.
there, and now we're going
There's no wind. This is what I was on about.
right.
Being out of
Well,
control
move
and-
out of the way, Alan, and turn
Why?
the fucking boat there. Turn it in the opposite
That's
direction.
what I'm doing.
Not on your lap. You
That's
won't.
what I'm doing.
Turn
It's
it
not
right to the thing.
turning
It will.
It won't.
If you leave that over there,
Yeah.
move out of the way, Alan. Move out of the way. Oh, wait a minute. Which way are you going, Alan? Come on, which
Turn it
way?
down, yeah, turn it.
No, thank you, Alan.
We'll
Come
have
on,
it.
The tide is coming towards us now, so it'll turn us round. It'll go wherever the rudder's fucking going. Which way are we going? No, leave it there.
Alright,
No,
it's alright,
no,
leave it
no.
now.
If you move it now, we won't go round.
We will.
We won't.
Just that bit of wind up, a bit further around.
Right.
No, leave it there. Let's face the way we want to go.
Why? Which
Why-
way do we want to go?
Right, now, you were going to put this in the
Which
middle.
way do you reckon we want to go?
Conway.
Right, that's where I was going to go.
By
But not
moving
putting it
this...
in a fucking tight circle.
By moving this tiller to the middle. Go on then.
Fucking hell.
No, go on then. I'm quite thinking now. You put it where you was going to put it. Right. I think we're going to end up going towards that way in about 30 seconds. That way. Yeah. Am I wrong? Someone tell me.
The wind on the other side.
Oh,
Yeah, you need to get that tiller right over there.
and then you'll catch a wind the other way.
And eventually she'll come round. What's happening? We're going so far round. and
Oh, wait a
the
minute,
sea comes back. We're going round.
I'm sorry, people always say it's me, and I've just fucking proved that there, it wasn't me.
But you don't have to turn so fast, Pete.
It's not fast, Alan.
You're
It
not in
won't,
a
it won't
fucking
go anywhere
rush.
if you don't get it that over.
What? When men are sailing, they don't turn fast. You better ask the fucking sailing community. Let's do a very shallow, small turn. I don't profess to be a fucking expert. What the? What, Alan? Where the fucking? Ah, well, that's pretty fucking finished.
Release that.
round again.
We've just gone in a complete fucking circle. What a bunch of cunts.
I think you need the engine running.
With bollocks.
No, we don't.
I think you need... Alan, what do you come and let's give your house, your expert opinion, what you want to do, Alan.
I need to come down and get in.
Turn round and turn the fucking rudder the right way then. Not just keep going in a fucking circle.